Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to declare a string in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Kindly see the video description of this tutorial video. Okay, so we have here sharp include IO stream for input output using namespace std and main. It is the starting point and ending point when we run and compile and execute our C++ program. We have here begin, char, we declare a variable title. To declare a string in C++, we have here the bracket, and then equals, double quotation, coding is fun, and then console out, left shift operator, and then title return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then we close with the right curly bracket. Okay, let us go with the dev C++, go to execute, compile and run. Wait. Okay. Let us run again. Okay. Sorry for that. So it will display a text coding in fun, no? Actually coding is fun. So let us recompile again. Compile, run. Okay, so here we go guys. We have here coding is fun. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to declare a string in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.